Hello again. Now that we have our border done, we can add a key or legend. This is completely optional, of course, but I am going to show you how to draw a key or legend. Before we go too detailed into the drawing, what we can do is create a new layer, make sure our color is set to white, click the rectangular marquee tool, and we're just going to create a box somewhere. We'll just make it big and then fill that with white. And once again, you're going to both get this a little smaller and make sure that's not in the way there. There we go. And of course, we can go FX. Well, actually, we don't need to do that just yet. So if it were up to me, I wouldn't put a key or legend for this map. It's not necessary at all, but your map might require it. So what we can start with is dragging a line here so that we know, just so we're consistent with all our placement of all our little icons. So we can put a dot for the cities and then get a star out for the capitals. And then, you know, maybe draw a dotted border too. Our road, of course. What else? And then the sea trade road. So let's move closer here. And honestly, just space these out a little bit more. Okay. And now we can just kind of add the text. So we can just go back to study or whatever your font of choice is. Squeeze the font down a little bit. Cities, make that a little bit. Let's try and get the text lined up as well. Maybe get that a little bit there. Actually, let's make this a little bit bigger. Capitals, borders, roads, and trade routes. Okay, cool. So now we have a legend. We can clear guides because we don't need them anymore. And now what we can do is we can create well, we're going to group this together first. This legend. Well, actually, it's a key. Key. We can go to symmetry. Dual access. And try and just kind of line that up there. Make a new layer. Go to our map pen. And doesn't like fit perfectly, but that's okay. And we can just kind of add some type of details here. Just, you know, really make it look like something. You know, how much detail you put into it is entirely up to you. But I don't really care to go super detailed. And we can actually just move this stuff, center it there. Well, actually, let's not do that. And we can write the word E in all caps. Go bold, and then make this not that big because that's too much. There. So now we have our key / legend. If you want one, then that's great. For this map, I wouldn't have chosen to have one. However, we got one. So there you go.